Thinking about launching your first online course but feeling stuck? You are not alone. You probably have a great idea, some expertise to share, and maybe even a few people asking for your help. But when it comes to actually launching the course, it can feel like hitting a wall. What platform should I use? How long should it be? How do you promote it without sounding salesy? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to launch your first online course, step by step, even if you have zero knowledge on digital marketing and you've never practiced it. I'm Anna Zakkery, welcome to the channel. Here we discuss everything what you need to know about how to launch your online products. Coaching sessions, set of lessons, masterminds, mentorships, online courses, like any educational digital product. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and definitely watch the videos which I have posted before. In this video, I will break down step by step how do you start and launching your first online course. If you will have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Super important, if you want a guide which will explain in details how you can create a minimum viable product, aka a test launch of your online course, just tap the link in the description box and grab my guide where I explain in details how to do so. So, step 1, choose your topic. This might sound obvious, but it's where a lot of people get stuck. The biggest mistake? Trying to teach everything you know. Here's a better way. Focus on solving one clear problem for one specific type of person. Not how to be healthy, but how to meal prep for busy moms. Not how to start a business, but how to land your first freelance client on Upwork. You see, narrow it down. Think about your audience. What are they struggling with? I've just mentioned that you can download the guide which I've left for you in the description box. You will find AI prompts which will help you to analyze the audience of your future online course. Don't forget to use it, it's important. Think about what do people always ask you about. And this is the point where you need to start. Keep it simple. Your first online course doesn't need to be massive. It needs to be just useful and very specific. Try to narrow down the topic as much as possible. Step 2, let's outline the content. Now that you have your topic, it's time to map out what you're going to teach. Think of your course as a transformation from point A to point B. Think where is your student starting and where will they end up. Then break that transformation into 4-6 main milestones. Those will become your modules or chapters. Again, I'm referring you to the guide which I left for you in the description box. I've explained in details how to do that. Inside each step, you will need to list a few key lessons or actions they will need to take. These will become your lesson outline. And don't worry about perfection here. You just want a clear, logical flow that helps someone move forward. Here's a pro tip from me. Less is more. People don't want 10 hours of video. They want, guess what? Results. They want just results. Keep your lessons focused and actionable. The more you add home assignments, actions, tasks, this is what people are looking for. Step 3, let's pick a platform. Now it's time to choose where your course will live. There are tons of great options nowadays, and you just need to choose one which will fit your needs. There are 2 main categories, like all-in-one platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Thinkific, or marketplace platforms like Udemy, like Skillshare. Usually beginners do not understand what exactly the learning management system does. It's not only keeping your videos safe on the platform, it's also a big system behind which you have email sending system. You can track the sources of traffic and leads. You can segment the audience, and you can as well check the home assignment. Like a lot of different things which maybe it's too early to think about, but in the future, if you are serious about creating online courses, you will definitely need it. So for a first launch, I would definitely recommend you to go with the easy platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. They are more user-friendly and they have some essential functions which you will require within first 6 months, and that will be enough. If you will start to grow, no worries, you will just relocate to another platform and that's it. In my company, we are creating our own learning management system because we have many courses that we promote and it's easier for us to track analytics, statistics, to send emails and to segment the audience within our own system, because there is no such platform on the planet Earth which will fit every requirement you have. That's why once you grow, in a couple years, you will need to create your own LMS system, but don't think about that yet. Just start where you are. Step 4, let's film and publish your course. This is where people start to overthink and where they freak out. This is the main obstacle on the way. They think they need a studio setup, perfect lighting, or expensive gear. You don't need that. Even iPhone 16 already can substitute a professional camera. You can film a high-quality course with just your own phone or laptop camera. Decent lighting and clean background. Don't forget about the sound. Sound is super important in learning. So please be aware and order suitable microphone, which will have a clear sound on the video. I believe that the first launch of the course should not be pre-recorded. Yes. Now you can ask the questions in the comments. You can say, Anna, this is crazy. How can I not pre-record the lessons? I believe that pre-recording process breaks everything and people start to freak out and they do not know how to proceed. They do not like the way they look on the camera. They do not like their voice. It's not actually easy to record yourself and do not see yourself while do so. It's not so easy to speak on camera, to speak fluently and keep on logic which you have pre-set up. That's why my recommendation here, you better do Zooms or live broadcasts for the first launch. This will allow you to get as many comments on the product as possible. You will have an option to communicate with the students in a live mode. You will respond more and they will get more attention and they will feel that you care. It's not just a lifeless video lessons somewhere on the platform. They will see you, they will feel that you are plugged in into every step of the process. This is my recommendation. So don't listen to anyone, don't record it, just be prepared for the Zoom lessons, outline everything you want to say, script it, and then have it in front of you if you're a newbie here. And then also for me, how I did it at the beginning, I just underlined the main ideas which I would like to share 100% and not to forget. And that was super helpful. That is more than enough. Step 5, promote your course. Just because you built it and filmed it doesn't mean people will come. You need a simple, consistent promotion plan. For me, it's no-go to post my course on such platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. I will never ever make any profit from that, so I do not recommend you to do that. Start by sharing your journey on a social media. Even if you have just a few followers, guys, this is the first launch. You have people on your social media, they will definitely be happy to sign up for what you're gonna offer them just because this is the first time you're offering something. For the next launch, there will be different skills, but for the first one, you can just go with your own social media. How to do so? Option number 1, just create a simple set of posts, 5 to 7 posts accompanied by reels and stories, which will explain what you have created in the course, what you have included, what benefits and goals people might achieve after the enrollment. And then just drop the link for the free masterclass or for the free broadcast. Organize 1 to 3 live broadcasts where you will offer to join the course. That's it. That is way more than enough for the first launch. Option number 2, you might say, Anna, I do not have any social media audience. What should I do in this case? The option here is that you create a lead magnet, aka freebie, a document which will support one of the ideas of your online course and will help the consumers of the freebie to solve one problem 100%. For example, if your course is on how to prepare healthy meals for kids, the topic for the lead magnet can be 20 recipes for healthy breakfast for kids. Just one thing which will explain why it is so important for the kids to have healthy breakfast, how you can do so, and as well as if you want further to dive in the topic, here's a link to join the course. So simple. This will allow us to get the first emails to capture the first leads and their contacts, and then after that, offer enrollment in the course. Do not forget to send emails to those people who will grab your freebie. It might sound, oh, I do not know how to do that. But just, again, pause this video, rewatch it, and do it. It's really easy. You can motivate people to DM you if they have any questions on the course. And please remember, do not be afraid to sell. People like to buy. They maybe do not like to be sold something, but they love to buy. So keep that in mind. Let's recap how you can launch your first online course. The first thing, choose one clear specific topic. Second, outline the transformation step by step in the lessons. So don't forget about the logic. Don't mix everything in one course. Pick a platform that fits your needs. Remember about my recommendation. Do not film everything before you launch the course for the first time. Go with a live broadcast. That will be easier for you. If this is not the option, okay, you can make it simple. Just film the lessons, don't make them too big. 5-10 minutes will be enough. Then promote with confidence and consistency in your social media or create a lead magnet to capture the first leads. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? It needs to be real and helpful and focused. Your first course is your foundation. You'll learn so much in this process. You will find so many mistakes, and you can always improve or relaunch it later. If you want help planning your course, tap the link in the description box. Grab this guide. This will help you to create your first launch of online course within 7 days. We call it MVP, minimum viable product. 7 days, guys. You can't postpone it for years. You can wait until AI will conquer us all and we will become its slaves, or you can start acting now and convert from a viewer to a real doer. Okay, if you're ready, grab the guide and I will be happy to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.